Alright guys, so I was talking about I had a problem this, right? Then I restarted my computer, it said they cannot file pack file or something. Then I realized that my entire drive got missing. Like, I have a 2 terabyte drive just for games and it's just not showing up over here, and I just don't know why. So mine is not a laptop, it's actually a CPU desktop PC, so it's gonna be a pain in the ass to figure out where's my SSD is. Let's see if I can figure it out. So you can check the time, 2:30 a.m., right? Let's see if I can fix it before 2:35.
One eternity later.
Okay, now it worked. Oh, so frustrating. Now it should work right now because, as you can see, file the detected. I don't have this problem anymore. So that's all my problem, what I had. I tried verify files, as I let you know. So